Lily. Hi, this is going to be the video homework for week 5 for the agility course as taught by Companion Connections Dog Training. So this is the when they jump through a tire, or basically anything they're jumping through in an agility course. So a hoop or a tire or whatever it is. So we're going to use the same command we used for the tunnel, which is through. So I'm do the same thing. I'm first going to show you what it looks like when it's done. Lily. Lily. Through. Yes. Okay, so there's a couple things you can do with this one. Because often what will happen is the same thing we did with the jumps. Like, when it's a little bit higher and they're not sure, it's more intimidating. So the way to make it easier for them is put it down. So basically, she doesn't have to jump. She just has to walk through it. Now the problem is, especially when the top is this height, when I initially tell her, a lot of dogs will just go around because it just looks like too much work. So a lot of what you need to do is you need to show them that they can go through. So a lot of it is getting their attention and their focus. So the fact that I can say, she'll look where I do this, yes. So if I want her to look a certain way, I can snap my fingers and I know that's where she'll look. So if I want to show her, hey, there's a hole here, I can snap my fingers on the other side and she knows that I want her to go that way. So I'll get her attention and then through, yes. So I first show her that, hey, there's a gap there, and then, so same thing. And I don't want to say the command until I know for sure she's going to actually go through it. Like, I'm not going to give her the command when I think she'll refuse or go around or do something else. Really, come here. So when you're first teaching it, it's going to look more like this. Through. So I almost say it at the same time, yes, that she goes through it. And I didn't do the yes at the right time. So Lily, come here. Because you want your yes to be right as they do the behavior, so I did that wrong. Lily. Through. Yes. So now that she knows, I'm sure she'll do it. I'm going to say the through a little earlier. Lily. Come here. Through. Yes. Because my end goal is I want that yes to be right as she completes the behavior. But I don't want to give her the cue until I know for sure she's going to do it. So initially, I'm going to say the cue as she does it and the yes immediately after. Then once I know for sure she'll do it, then I'll say the cue a little earlier. Lily. Through. Yes. So once I've got that, then you can raise it. They might still need a lot of guidance to make sure that they don't just go around. Lily. Through. Okay. Through. Yes. So she was still hesitant, which is why I'm right here. So that when she tries to go, if she tries to go around it, I'm going to stop her immediately to let her know that, hey, I don't want you to go around it. This is a little different than basic obedience, so if I do the timing wrong, like I probably shouldn't have given the cue that early. But this is for fun, so I don't feel it's as big of a deal if you repeat the command. You want to avoid it as much as possible because it will slow down how fast your dog can do it. Lily. Through. Yes. So at that time, I paused and I didn't give her the command until I saw her actually look through the hoop. So I knew she was going to go through it. And that is probably what I should have done the first time. And that is jumping through the hoop.